In this video, I want to show you how to change the lock screen over here on your Samsung Galaxy A26 and A36. So you can change the clock and other details. How do you do this? Very easy. So once you turn on the display, keep press on the lock screen and you're going to get this kind of the display with wallpapers and done. If you want to change the clock, simply tap on the clock. And you're going to have multiple choices on the font that you want to use, colors, and styles, depending what you want to change. Press done once you want to save what you just changed. Now you can also change other settings, so let me redo it. You can add widgets on the lock screen by clicking add widget, and from here you're going to have the choice of choosing one. So if I want to add a calendar, I can click calendar and I'll have different options. Simply by tapping on one, it will be added as you see there. Let me go back. Again, to save, always press done. If not, it's not saved. Now you can also change these two apps that appear down below. So if you don't want a camera app, click on it and select something else from the list. Same thing on the other side. You can also change the wallpaper by clicking wallpaper and you're going to have to choose between something else. The last thing I want to show you, it's the variation button. If you click variation, it will give you different choices, changing the wallpaper but keeping the things you have chosen. So you can check these options out if you want to spice up your life, or not. Just go back to what you had previously. So this is it. I hope this was useful. If so, leave a comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.